Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a Namaz Tracker. Take a piece of white paper, fold it into half. Then using a ruler and a pencil, mark at points 0 and 20 cm. Then at 0 and 5 cm. Join the points and draw lines and curves as shown. Now cut along the outline. Place this on a piece of cardboard and cut out 2 pieces. Glue them together as shown. Next I am going to cover this with blue color paper. Once done, I am going to cut out 2 more pieces as shown. Stick one piece in front. Now I have cut out 5 pieces from our old wedding card of dimension 3 into 1.6 cm. I am going to write Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha on top. Now using a double-sided tape, stick the pieces. Then using a ruler and pencil, mark as shown. Here first I have drawn a line at 1 cm. Then mark points at 3.5 cm and draw lines as shown. And erase off the extra pencil markings. Now I have taken dark pink color woolen thread and some pearl beads. Then using a needle, pierce along the points as shown and insert the wool and beads. Tie it at the back. In the same way we have to make the remaining. Now I am going to cover the back using the other piece which we had cut earlier. This will give a neat finish to our Namaz Tracker. Then cut out a piece of cardboard and cover it with blue paper. Fold as shown and glue it at the back. Our stand is also ready. Now to decorate this, I am using dark pink color glitter foam sheet and I am going to cut out thin strips from it. Cover the sides and the front as shown. Now I have written Namaz Tracker and glued it in the same way as I have shown earlier. Finally, our Namaz Tracker is now ready. I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.